Seng Voice of the People Party kala rai ban Pynlong ke Jingiakhih Surok ban Pynsngew halor ke Ishu Jong ke Jing Pentrekam ke roster system kapla kata ajori ki samla ka than KHASI ba Giant Hills ban yo kam yo jam haba ai jing kren kila patai khubor u president ke Seng VPP u ba Arden Mele Masayomon ulo ong ba kim don shu da ka wei pat kalenti namar ba ka sarkar ka klem ai lat iki banyata ya kani kamat ha ka yung dorbar shu u ba Masayomon ulo ong baka ni ka di ka sien baningkong baya ka dorban mang tingkala Pynlong tang hinyo sngi bat labo arski nakabenta ki kambay day bat ki wegi dukot Jong ka yeng ki pomdon benta hak sarkar.
Just 2 days, imagine, and that also we have been restricted as member, allotted with 10 minutes time. How do we express our suggestion points in 10 minutes time in a debate on governors, and how do we express our points and suggestion say in 10 minutes on budget discussion? Better not to call the assembly at all if they don't have any issue. As members of the ruling, members of the opposition, we've got a lot of issues. People, they are looking to us. Every time they are calling, they are giving us information how to take up. But you have seen how they run the house. So this is too much on the part of the government. We will not sit idle.